Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, I will do this problem of mensuration 2D. So you have to find the area of the shaded region. So you can see the shaded region is a flower, right? So this flower has 4 petals. The 4 petals are identical, right? So since these 4 petals are identical, our job will be done if we find the area of one petal and then multiply it by 4. So area of one petal, multiply it by 4. Then you will find the area of the flower or the shaded region. So let's find the area of one petal only. Now let me draw the one petal. So we have square like this. See in this figure, all the petals are inside the small squares. So I am drawing one petal. So we have a square like this, and then we have this petal like this. Now have you observed one thing? This side of the petal is basically a quarter circle, and this side of this petal is another quarter circle. So now let's find the area of this petal. So this we don't have this side given, so let this side be A. I am assuming this side be A. So this portion is A. That is the whole square that is given ABCD. That side is 2A, and so this small side is A. So this is A. Now I am assuming this as K. This portion is K, this portion is L, and this portion is M. The area of this small portion, this is L, this is K, this portion area is L, and this portion area I am assuming this is M. So I have to find the area of L only. So what is L? I can write L as K plus L plus L plus M minus K plus L plus M. Why? You see that K plus L, I write this as K plus L, then L plus M. So now we have here extra. What is extra? The extra component from here we have K plus M and 1 L. We need only 1 L, so extra component from here is K plus M plus L. So we will subtract this extra component. Okay, now thus we can find the area of L. Now what is K plus L? What is K plus L from this picture? K plus L is area of one quarter circle, right? Area of one quarter circle. And what is L plus M? L plus M is area of another quarter circle. And what is K plus L plus M? You see that K plus L plus L is area of the square. Area of the square. Okay, now it is easy because we can find the K plus L, that is area of one quarter circle. So this quarter circle has radius A. So now find what is K plus L. So K plus L, area of one quarter circle, that is 1/4 pi r square. Here r is A, so 1/4 pi a square. L plus M is area of another quarter circle that also has radius A. So this is 1/4 pi a square. Now what is k plus L plus M? That is area of the square, that is a square. Therefore L equal to, that is the required petal, 1 by 4 a square, 1 by 4 pi square plus 1 by 4 pi square. From here we have to subtract a square. So from here we get half pi a square minus a square. So this L is equal to a square pi by 2 minus 1. So this is area of one petal. Area of one petal is equal to a square into pi by 2 minus 1. Therefore area of 4 petals is equal to a square pi by 2 minus 1 into 4, that is equal to 4 square pi by 2 minus 1. This is area of the flower. Okay, I hope you all understand this problem. Thanks for watching.